One of the most critical challenges is insecticide resistance. Over 500 insect and mite species have developed tolerance to pesticides. This resistance often stems from repeated use of the same active ingredient over time. As a result, traditional insecticides lose their efficacy, requiring more frequent application and increasing environmental impact. This is in contrast with regulation that is continuously reducing the allowed dosages of insecticides per treatment. Resistance can occur through three main mechanisms: reduced penetration, metabolic detoxification, and target site insensitivity. These mechanisms often combine, creating multifactorial resistance that's harder to overcome. For example, changes in the insect's cuticle can slow absorption, while enzymes like esterases and oxidases break down insecticides before they reach their target. PBO acts as a synergist. It doesn't kill insects directly, at least not with results in line with the regulation requirement, but inhibits the enzyme that detoxify insecticides. This allows the active ingredient to remain potent longer inside the insect, increasing mortality rates. It's especially effective against metabolic resistance, where detoxifying enzymes are overproduced. Resistance to PBO is extremely rare. Unlike insecticides, PBO targets resistance mechanism, not vital proteins. Any insect that develops resistance to PBO will suffer a significant fitness cost. In field conditions, PBO remains a highly reliable tool, and even lab-induced resistance reverts within a few generations. The Biocidal Product Regulation, or BPR, sets strict efficacy and safety benchmarks. Our formulations with PBO consistently meet and exceed these standards. For example, aerosol tests show that PBO-enhanced products achieve faster knockdown and higher mortality compared to formulation without PBO. PBO allows manufacturers to reduce the quantity of active ingredients while maintaining efficacy. This lowers production costs and improves environmental safety. In a market where regulatory pressure and consumer demand for safer products are increasing, PBO provides a strategic advantage. PBO supports integrated pest management by reducing chemical load and application frequency. It enhances product differentiation, strengthens brand positioning, and prolongs the life cycle of insecticide registrations. In short, it's a game changer for sustainable and effective pest control. Endura has developed microencapsulated formulations that release PBO before the insecticide. This temporal synergy ensures that detoxifying enzymes are inhibited before the active ingredient is introduced, maximizing efficacy, especially in agricultural settings.